Brass cased versus steel cased ammo. Is one truly superior than the other? Let the comment section battle begin. In this video, I'll break down some pros and cons of each one and ask, is one really better than the other? But before we get into that, I'll remind you again, we have a gun giveaway going on. You can enter right now. It's absolutely free and it ends really soon. Just click the link in the description below to reveal which brand new gun you could win. So they say brass ammo is better because it creates a better chamber seal than steel. Brass is more malleable than steel, which means less blowback in the chamber, so you have less gas and unburnt powder to pass back into your action or into your face every time it's fired. Steel-cased ammo is often cheaper, and it offers less flexibility in sealing that chamber, and some people complain that it might damage the bolt carrier group on your AR-15 because steel is harder than brass. Steel also can't be reloaded. I'm sure that it could be reloaded, but not with traditional loading methods because they're loading steel, but maybe not reloading it. Steel is aimed at the cheaper ammo market, and in general, it's much cheaper than brass. Well, I shouldn't say much anymore. The prices are about the same. We're having some trouble importing some of the steel-cased Russian ammo now, so that might push prices up. But truth of the matter is, steel-cased versus brass-cased ammo, is it right for you? In my previous job, we did some very serious testing with steel-cased ammo to try to break AR-15s and AK and SKS pattern rifles with steel-cased ammo. Those East Block guns, the SKSs, the AKs, those things were built to function on steel-cased ammo and had no problems whatsoever. It might come as a surprise that we also had no problems whatsoever dealing with steel-cased ammo in good quality, modern-made, well-maintained AR-15s. That's because the steel cases are annealed, they're softer steel than the steel that's on the bolt carrier group. They're also softer steel than the barrel is made of. So you're not dealing with as much of that wear and tear and all of the abrasion and things like that that people think is happening with steel-cased ammo. We also fired lots and lots of lacquer-covered steel-cased ammo. The stuff we have here is polymer covered on the outside. It's not coated with lacquer, but for a while, a couple different companies were importing lacquer-covered steel-cased ammo, and the first thing you heard out on the internet was, wow, that lacquer is going to burn right off when it's in the chamber of a hot gun and it's going to gum up the entire action. Well, we ran 10 30-round magazines through an AR-15, first 5 as fast as we could, then we left a round in the chamber until it completely cooled to the touch. Then we ran the next 5 as fast as we could and then left a round in the chamber until it was cool to the touch, and we couldn't get any problems. So if you're firing 300 rounds just as fast as you can and you still don't have problems, I was kind of giving up. We couldn't make an AR-15 break when firing steel-cased ammo, so unless you have a picture of your own AR-15 that you've broken while loading and using steel-cased ammo, I really don't want to hear what you heard a friend say about somebody else who saw it out at the range. Steel-cased ammo functions. It's probably not the best. Brass-cased ammo is better. Yes, it's a little bit more expensive, but if you're out there just plinking and doing occasional training, steel-cased ammo is going to work for you very, very well. Again, it's up to personal preference. Steel-cased ammo is not going to destroy your gun. You don't have to worry that much about it. Will you get the best accuracy, the cleanest shooting, all that other good stuff that comes along with high-quality brass-cased ammo? No, you won't. Steel is a little bit lower quality, but it's not going to destroy your gun. You can use it, especially for plinking, some training, other things like that. I wouldn't use it in a match. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. And a quick reminder, we have that gun giveaway going on. It ends really soon. All you have to do is click the link below and reveal which brand new gun you can win. I'm Kevin Michalowski, Director of Content for the U.S. Concealed Carry Association. If you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell. We'll notify you every time something new comes out. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.